My belief is that I need to show up on social media 5 to 7 times a week. You can make a post, you can comment on something, you can like something, you can do a reel, you can go live, you can send a direct message, you can send an audio message. Like I named 7 different things. I make sure that I post first thing in the morning because that gives the most amount of time for people to respond throughout the day. And I make sure that I have a healthy balance of what I'm talking about, right? Because if all I'm talking about is business and look at the house I just sold, look at my fancy award, then they're going to delete me and they're going to block me, and they should, because then I'm back in that bucket of what I can get, not what I can give, right?
And here's where people need to understand, we talk about, in terms of building your sphere. If you had a 250 people or 300 in your sphere and you just consistently loved on them, stayed in touch, ultimately you're going to get referrals. You're going to do that. Now, just imagine that and just take it to the social media world. And don't feel like you have to have a massive following. If you have that amount of people or more and you just stayed in contact with them and provided value and engaged with them, it's inevitable. That's what's going to happen. That's the same thing. And actually more, because you see everybody's on their phone every single day. So they see you more and more.
Everybody says don't be a secret agent. I mean, as a real estate agent, people should be able to go to your social media profile and learn who you are and learn what you do and what value you provide, but also be able to figure out how to connect with you. At least show them online, this is my number, this is my email, this is how you get in touch with me if you want to hire me. If people can't easily access you in a digital age, then they're just going to pick the next person that pops up on their Google.